huge part of our chemistry curriculum is having students in the lab all year long to supplement the information that we've been learning during lecture. And at the end of the year, we have this culminating lab practical experience where students are given a prompt and they have to come up with their own procedure and extra supplies that they may need for their lab procedure in order to answer the prompt or answer the question. And a big piece of that is finishing the lab and then coming together as a group to have a self-reflection and an analysis of their results, what went well during the lab, what didn't go so well, and if they had more time, what they would have done, or if they had extra supplies, what they would have done at that moment. Throughout the year, we give them very detailed procedures and a list of lab supplies that they're going to use for each lab. And for this last experiment, they're pretty much just given a question that they have to answer on their own. So they have to come up with everything pretty much on their own. So it's really fun to watch, and usually they feel very proud of themselves afterwards, as they should be.